Turkish defense firm FNSS has introduced its latest armored vehicles, showcasing new PAR's three-wheeled fitting. The vehicle is equipped with advanced TEBER-35 remote-controlled turret, which features advanced target detection and fire control system. In light of the recent earthquake in Taiwan, a tsunami warning was issued, which leads Japan's air self-defense forces to relocate its F-15J fighters to safer territories including civilian roads. This action was taken to mitigate potential damage to these high-value aircraft that could be caused by seismic activity. MARTAC has introduced cutting-edge maritime attack drone boat designed to transform U.S. naval operations. With speed exceeding 50 knots, the M18 ASV boasts payload capacity of 450 kilograms, allowing for integration of various payloads, including warheads for suicide missions. Ukraine begins serial production of new indigenously developed Backfire K-1 bomber drone. Powered by electric engine, it can reach maximum altitude of 1,000 meters, ensuring precision strikes at a cruising speed of 84 km/h.